Right, boiler's just gone off. And you can hear the noise still. And I thought it was just it cooling down. It's still pinging, clicking. And it will do this for ages, it will just keep doing it. But it's not just it cooling down, because if I switch it off, the noise stops completely. There you go.